audio. Mithilesh Kumar. Hindus in US must include Hindus of other countries, especially of Nepal, Caribbean, Mauritius, etc., and should not make it only South Asia event.
Mithilesh ji, I can answer that. Yes, Hindus of all these areas are becoming part of the mainstream. So, good question. I want to assure you that it is happening.
Right. Next one. Chahat Chauhan, Sat Shri Akal. I eagerly visited a Gurdwara in Michigan and was disheartened to see Khalistani posters. How can we counter it? Sukhi ji.
हाँ जी हाँ, ये देखो, हम गुरु ग्रंथ साहब की बेअदबी की बात करते हैं पंजाब में जो हुई थी, और जिसकी जो अल्टीमेट जो सेक्रीफाई जो कैप्टन साहब ने भी को भी देना पड़ा, क्योंकि कैप्टन साहब ने उस पे जो सही टाइम पे सही कार्रवाई नहीं की जो गुरु ग्रंथ साहब की बेअदबी हुई थी। और हम पंजाब की गुरु ग्रंथ साहब में बेअदबी पे हमेशा हमेशा इशू उठाते हैं भी हाँ वहाँ ऐसा हुआ, ऐसा होना चाहिए, और होना चाहिए था। उसको उसकी जो जिन लोगों को जो अक्यूज थे उनको बिल्कुल उनको आइडेंटिफाई करके उनको जो भी सजा मिलनी चाहिए थी कानून से हिसाब से देनी चाहिए थी। लेकिन नाउ ये खालिस्तान के एजेंडे की बात करते हैं। दिस इज द ट्रेजेडी, दिस इज डेफिनेटली माय इशू, जिससे मेरे को बहुत परेशान कर रहा है, क्योंकि हमारा यूथ है जो यंग जनरेशन है, दे डोंट वांट टू गो टू गुरुद्वारा। एंड आई आस्क्ड मेनी किड्स एक्चुअली, सो व्हाई, व्हाट्स द रीजन? वो कहते भी वहां दे सी द खालिस्तानी एलिमेंट्स, and when these people, they are not like their main propaganda is they want to spread the fear. Only way they can convey the message, they want to threaten the people, those who want to oppose them. So inki activity, their activity is also very violent even inside the gurdwara. So then they put their Khalistan flags too. And somebody is going to try to ask the question actually, because जो जहाँ के बच्चे होते हैं, they are very honest, they will ask you the very genuine question, okay, what is Khalistan, why they are fighting for this and that. So that's where I see actually इनको खालिस्तान बनाना है. So they should not be, गुरुद्वारा should not be center of the खालिस्तान. गुरुद्वारा सिक्खी की प्रोपोगेशन का, सिक्खी सेंटर का एक हिस्सा होना चाहिए, ना कि एक खालिस्तान का. And who can work on that one? That's again responsibility of the local Sikh diaspora community. They have to step up. नंबर 2, उसके बाद जो पहले गुरुद्वारा की मैं जिक्र कर चुका हूँ, स्टॉकटन गुरुद्वारा, और मेरे पास पिक्चर्स हैं और लाइव वीडियो हैं. नॉट ओनली एक फ्लैग, उन लोगों ने अपने खालिस्तान के पोस्टर भी लगाए हुए थे, जहां गुरु ग्रंथ साहब की के इर्द गिर्द जो आस पास में अराउंड द गुरु ग्रंथ साहब, उन लोगों ने जो पोस्टर भी खालिस्तान के लगाए हुए थे. दिस इज द ट्रेजेडी. नोबडी वांट टू, बिकॉज नोबडी वांट टू से एनीथिंग, एंड दिस इज द अगेन हिपोक्रेसी. समथिंग हैपन आउटसाइड, वी कैन ब्लेम, ओ उसने, मोदी ने करा दिया जी, अमित शाह ने करा दिया, आरएसएस ने करा दिया, हिंदुओं ने करा दिया. लेकिन जहां हमारे गुरुद्वारा के बीच हम देख रहे हैं, वेरी वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट, इस पे किसको ब्लेम करें? जहां तो आरएसएस नहीं कराती ना, जहां तो मोदी भी नहीं आता. मोदी एक दिन के लिए आएंगे, चलो ठीक है वापस चले जाएंगे, वो गुरुद्वारा में पोस्टर तो नहीं लगा कर जाएंगे ना. और जहां सबसे ज्यादा जो हमारी जो फाइटिंग हो रही है, इन फाइटिंग हो रही है, सबसे ज्यादा जो अगर बेअदबी हो रही है किसी जगह, जो नॉर्थ अमेरिका के स्पेशली गुरुद्वारों में, आई एम द विटनेस ऑफ दैट. एंड दे फाइट्स ऑल द टाइम. And because this is become the big दुकानदारी business center, गुरुद्वारा is becoming a big business. फ्री में और दुकानदारी भी है और चौधर भी है उनकी, और उसके लिए ये somebody has to step up. The local community has to step up. We cannot be quiet for too long on that one. Thank you.
Right. Next. Chahat Chauhan, I asked the Sevadar why they displayed Khalistani and Bhindranwale posters. All I received was only hate and bad words for Modi ji. No logic at all. See,
this was in Chicago also.
And I said 84 was Congress plot. Sevadar was speechless. Okay, let's move to the next question.
नहीं, ये भी आई थिंक दिस इज अ गुड क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा आता है 1984 को आई ट्राई टू इवन एजुकेट जो हमारे हिंदू ब्रदर भी हैं, कुछ लोग वो भी कहते हैं भी ऐसा क्या हो रहा है, दिस एंड दैट। नहीं, देयर इज ए जेन्युइन रीजन, देयर इज ए जेन्युइन इशू। इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू एड्रेस इट, एंड ये खालिस्तान का जो प्रोपोगंडा, जो एंटी इंडिया एक्टिविटी हमेशा चलती रहेगी। And Prime Minister Modi has done, because Prime Minister Modi, he has spent a couple of years in Punjab. So because of that, actually, so he understands the psyche. जो 1984 की है, this first of all we have to identify and who was behind that. It was not a BJP, it was not RSS, it was not anybody else, right? It was, you have to point it that it was a Congress at that time.
Absolutely.
It was a Congress government at that time. And who was responsible for attacking the Darbar Sahib at that time? The force behind that, it was sitting in the Ban Akbar Road, which was the residence of Mrs. Gandhi at that time. It is not me saying, it is like you can see actually the document, Mr. GBS Sidhu, and he wrote a book on the Khalistan conspiracy. And he has documented all because he was a very senior secretary level officer actually. So that's what he mentioned over there. There's so many books over there. And who was behind the 1984 genocide of the Sikhs, the rapes of the Sikh girls in Delhi? It was the goons of the Congress. You have to identify actually, because why the whole Hindu community has to take a blame for that? And why, like, the BJP has nothing to do with that, RSS has nothing to do with that. And they have failed to propagate that message. And Modi ji, one thing actually, so I want to clarify over here. Modi ji is the one prime minister, and so he has done so many important things actually for the Sikh community. And so because अगर कुछ ने गलत किया है, अगर कांग्रेस ने गलत किया है, I would like to, and I would like to put it on record कि this is what the blunder they have done. जो कांग्रेस ने blunder गवर्नमेंट सिखों के साथ किया है, and they have even paid for that. And Mrs. Gandhi have paid the heavy price for that. But on the another side, what so many good things happen in the Sikh community. दरबार साहब, like especially जो कॉरिडोर ओपन करना, जो ब्लैक लिस्ट खत्म करना, 304 लोग जो उनकी जो ब्लैक लिस्ट में लिस्ट नहीं हुई थी, out of 304, 302 have been removed from the black list under the Modi government. और जो ब्लैक लिस्ट किसने बनाई थी, किसकी गवर्नमेंट के दौरान बनी थी? वो कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट के दौरान बनी थी। यू हैव टू कन्वे दैट मैसेज। जो इन लोगों को पॉलिटिकल पावर में जो साइलम वाले लोगों को पासपोर्ट मिले हैं, जो वीजे मिलने शुरू हुए हैं, जो किसके दौरान हुए हैं, किसने की हैं, क्यों किए हैं, और इतने और देखो जो गुरु नानक देव जी का जो 550th बर्थडे पहली बार जिस समय जो 1984 हुआ था, हम सोचते थे कि भी कभी हम इस जो इंडिया में रहना कितना मुश्किल होएगा सिखों का। और आज देखो 550th बर्थडे इंटरनेशनल लेवल ग्रैंड स्केल पे हर एक एम्बेसी में, हर एक कॉन्सुलेट में गुरु नानक देव जी का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया। और प्राइम मिनिस्टर हमेशा आप अपीयर होते रहे हैं और पगड़ी पहन कर हमेशा वहां पहुंचे हैं। उन्होंने शमूलियत की है, चाहे गुरु नानक देव जी का हो बर्थडे हो या गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी का हो, वो पर्सनली वहां पटने गए हैं और सिखों को हमेशा साथ लेकर चलने की कोशिश की है। लेकिन इसमें कुछ इंसिडेंट ऐसे भी होते हैं, लेकिन यू कैन नॉट बी 100%। कुछ लोगों का होता है भी, जो सम पीपल मे एग्री और सम पीपल मे नॉट एग्री आपकी पॉलिसी के साथ, बट ओवरऑल व्हाट ही हैज डन, Mr. Modi has done for the Sikh community, unfortunately we have not. They have failed to convey their policies and the message within the Sikh diaspora or within the Sikh community. और उसके पीछे बहुत ज्यादा पॉलिटिकल रीजन है। जो पॉलिटिकल ऑपोजिशन पार्टियां हैं, दे डोंट वांट टू गेट इट हाईलाइटेड कि उन लोगों इतना अच्छा काम हुआ। उसकी वजह से जो मैसेज था, जो मैसेज जाना चाहिए था, that has not gone in the Sikh community actually. So that's what the big problem is.
Next. Jahangir Gotla, maybe Khalistanis are actually Devbandis, Talibanis pretending to be Sikhi. Maybe actual Sikhi and Hindu should set the record that Khalistanis are Devbandis. That doesn't sound like a serious question. Vibhuti ji, you think it's a serious question?
It's a speculation, and speculation is something that we can't answer. So I'll leave it at that. And I would not, given the fact that there are a lot of questions.
Okay, I'll say that it requires much more research.
Right.
Chahat Chauhan, ISPR has a highly active social media pages that's been posting nonsense against Khalistan and Kashmir. Where is India in cyber warfare? Very low down. Yuvraj, you'll take that question?
नहीं सर, मैं इसका जवाब देता हूँ कि देखो हाउ एक्सलेंट जॉब दे आर डूइंग फ्रॉम द रावलपिंडी एक्चुअली. सो ISPR जो भी उसकी ISI की जो भी प्रोपेगेंडा मशीन है ना, somehow they have put lots of resources actually, so they have done very good job, especially to convey their message and spread the propaganda में वो लोग they have done excellent. The reason for that, why? Because I am the also victim. आप पाकिस्तान पे इमेजिन करो कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर उनकी यूट्यूब चैनलों पे मेरे ऊपर सुखी चैनल पर पूरे का पूरा एक इवेंट होता है, हाफ एन आवर का, 40-45 मिनट का मेरे ऊपर जो भी हुआ है. वे इमेजिन करो कि उन लोगों को क्या है. मेरे को लगता है इट मीन्स आई एम ए पॉपुलर गाय, लेकिन दे ट्राई टू डिफेम एंड दे हैव ए डेडिकेशन, दे हैव ए डेडिकेटेड रिसोर्सेज. उसमें जो डेंजरस चीज है, जो which we always ignore and forget, which is very very interesting, it took a while for me to understand. उन लोगों के पास कुछ लोग हैं, ऐसे लोग हैं जिनकी आईडी कुछ सिखों की आईडी है और कुछ हिंदू नाम के आईडी हैं. उन अपनी पिक्चर लगा देते हैं, then they go on the social media, then they try to spread the message. कुछ लोग होंगे जो हिंदू आईडी है वो सिखों के खिलाफ बोलेंगे, जो सिखों के खिलाफ है वो हिंदुओं के खिलाफ बोलेंगे. उसमें जो हमारा जो अनजान जो इमेच्योर लोग होते हैं वो पार्टिसिपेट कर जाते हैं. वो मैसेज, उसके बाद जो मैसेज आता है ना, वो एक हिंदू सिखों का बन जाता है. दैट्स वेरी वेरी डेंजरस एंड दैट्स वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. जब भी मैं सोशल मीडिया पे बोलता हूँ, इवन कि मैं हिंदू कम्युनिटी में भी कुछ लोगों को बोलता हूँ कि नहीं भैया, अगर इनकी इफ यू हैव एन इशू, लेट्स बी इंश्योर, लेट्स नॉट ट्राई टू से और स्टेट एनीथिंग अगेंस्ट द सिखी or the Sikh guru or the Sikhism. On the other side, I have no right to say anything negative about the Hindu community or the Hindu Devi or Devta.
Right. Next. रॉबर्ट कूल्स, नमस्ते. कई लोग गुरु गोविंद सिंह के पत्र जफरनामा के हवाले से कहते हैं कि सिख अलग हैं सनातन से, जब गुरु ग्रंथ साहब में ही लिखा है कर्म फल पुनर्जन्म से मुक्ति जो सनातन में है. इस विद्वेष का निवारण कैसे हो?
सर, हम एक्सपर्ट नहीं हैं और इसमें, क्योंकि इस विषय पे चाहे हम एक हफ्ता डिबेट कर सकते हैं फिर भी कम होएगा. लेकिन मैं इनको यही कहता हूँ कि देखो, प्रोफेसर जगवीर सिंह है, वो आपके चैनल पे भी आते हैं, काफी वो इंटेलेक्चुअल हैं, इंटेलिजेंट हैं, और उनकी जितनी नॉलेज, जहां मेरी नॉलेज खत्म होती है उन लोगों की शुरू होती है वहां से. और मैं इतना सत्कार करता हूं. इस विषय पे अगर कोई बात करनी है ना, तो उनकी कुछ वीडियो देख लें, उसमें सारा कुछ क्लियर हो जाएगा. और ये बातें बहुत छोटी होती हैं. उसने ये किया, ऐसे किया, एक लाइन बीच में से लेकर भी, हाँ इसका मैसेज ये होता है, उसको तोड़ मरोड़ कर पेश करना. दिस इज वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. कई बार ऐसा होता है संजय जी, जो कम नॉलेज होती है ना, दैट इज आल्सो वेरी डेंजरस. सो आई विल जस्ट लीव इट देयर. थैंक यू.
को जगवीर सिंह जी वाले हमारे यहाँ पे वीडियोस जो पड़े हुए हैं वो आप देख सकते हैं. यू कैन जस्ट सर्च फॉर प्रोफेसर जगवीर सिंह विद इन जयपुर डायलॉग्स. नेक्स्ट. Mission CR7. Congrats to JD for a wonderful discussion. Thank you.
This is a very interesting guy. Mission CR is definitely a Manchester United fan. CR7 is Cristiano Ronaldo 7.
Okay. Amar Sareen, is there any movement opposing conversion of Sikh community, bringing them back to their parent religion, as well as opposing Christian groups?
I think there are responsible parties and the religious leadership actually, so they should take a call, and then this is what they should be the biggest concern. I think this should be the very big concern for the SGPC. This should be the concern for the Akal Takht Jathedar Sahib, and they should speak about it. Because unfortunately, इससे कई बार ऐसा होता है कि अकाल तख्त साहब जथेदार साहब और काफी इंसिडेंट्स पे बड़े खुलकर बोलते हैं, और ये इतना कोई सेंसिटिव इशू है और ऐसे इशू को हमेशा वो इग्नोर कर देते हैं। अब मैं उसकी आई हैव फेल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उनकी मजबूरी क्या होती है। I'll just leave it over there. So I think
लेकिन मैं ये कहता हूँ जैसे कन्वर्शन के अगेंस्ट में विद इन हिंदूज there are so many civil society groups who are very active either on social media or on the ground. I mean, I can offhand tick off at least a dozen. इस तरह के कोई ग्रुप्स जो हैं वो एक्टिव हैं क्या पंजाब में?
हाँ जी, are we waiting for the next question?
Okay, let's move to the next question. Rahul Bhatia, Hindutva, Hinduism should be considered different. Hindutva should be political movement in India. No one should mix both. Why? JPD. Who is JPD? I don't know who is JPD. Okay, we call ourselves JD, by the way. Jaipur is one word. Jaipur is not two. Anyway, that's not the topic for the day. So that is one. And secondly, Hinduism is translated in Hindi as Hinduvad. So, what is a binary? A Vad or ism is a binary, or Atva or Tattva is a binary. I think food for thought for you, Rahul ji.
सर इसमें ना मेरे को किसी मैं आई वाज हैविंग डिस्कशन विद समबडी, जो इज्म है ना, ISM, हिंदुइज्म, सिखिज्म, ये बहुत जरूरी है इस पे बात करना, इनको निकालना भी। जो ना तो देयर इज नो कांसेप्ट कॉल्ड हिंदुइज्म, देयर इज नो नथिंग कॉल्ड सिखिज्म, दैट समबडी जो इंटेलेक्चुअल आप जैसे लोग हैं, आई थिंक यू शुड कन्वे द मैसेज लाइक वी शुड नॉट यूजिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ टर्मिनोलॉजी.
Ism has a negative connotation, and that must go.
Yes, as soon as you have ism, there is a binary.
That's right.
There is a binary as soon as you have an ism.
Right.
That is, we advocate this, then there's something else. And if you go into the deepest recesses of Sanatana, it is an all-encompassing, all-inclusive philosophy. Anyway, we will discuss about it in some detail someday. Rishi Vijay ji, once Bharat breaks Pak into pieces by 2024. Very ambitious. सबके होश ठिकाने आ जाएंगे, तब खालिस्तान कहाँ लड़ मरेंगे? सोनिया के रोम में ना कनाडा है ना?
I would say ऋषि आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
नहीं, फिर भी कनाडा तो है ही, वहां तो बन ही सकता है.
वैंकूवर चले जाए या ओंटारियो चले जाए, जहां भी हो,
तो वहां तो नहीं जाने देंगे. वो एल्बर्टा में बन सकता है.
एल्बर्टा में भेज देंगे.
The Vic Dub, thank you जी, thank you. Cool dude. Namaskar सबको. Why Sikhs in India are poor in setting up anti-narrative against Khalistanis? When it comes from Sikh mouths, impact is very different.
That's a good question. क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम जो पहले ऑलरेडी हमने डिस्कस we were talking about, क्योंकि people have moved on, people don't want to deal with these kind of जो so called खालिस्तानी है, जो so called leadership है. क्योंकि अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो हमारी नॉर्थ अमेरिका में we don't have a very good leadership. We lack the leadership. हमारी like Sikh leadership had pretty much kept themselves very limited to the local Gurdwara. So because when you are involved in the infighting at the local Gurdwara level, then it becomes really hard to take the message at the national level, and that's already hurting the Sikh community as an identity crisis. You know what happened after 9/11? Sikh community has suffered a lot, especially there's a lot of discrimination, hate, and against the Sikh community. And we have not, although we are trying our best, many organizations trying our best, we have not done the great job by conveying who we are. That we are not Taliban people. We don't believe in the hate, and this is our religion, and this is our principle, and we are the hard work people. And that's where we have seen, although we have done very good job in the various fields, but we have failed setting up the proper negative like a narrative in the diaspora.
Narrative building is concerned, Hindus and Sikhs, the entire Indian subcontinent suffers from that disease.
In fact, I'm quite happy that the narrative building is actually starting from North America.
Right.
And what Sukhiji is doing and what his friend Puneet is doing, or another friend, what's his name? He was there on our channel. Mr. Maan is doing. Those are.
No, there is Sanjay ji. There are just so many other people. Unfortunately, because these people, nobody knows them. Nobody reach out to them, and there are so many people at ground level. Those who speak, those who talk to us, and those who express their concern. Unfortunately, unke paas, like, they don't have any media. They don't have a platform to express their intention. Otherwise, these people, they will shut down everybody. But you have to know, also you have to build a relationship, because like whenever I tweet anything, and if there's anything negative, they threaten me, and I will definitely keep the local authority in the loop, and they know it, because now you have to convey your message in such a way, because your message or ideology should be stronger than yourself. It is not a Sukhi Chahal speaking, it's a Sukhi Chahal ideology. And if they want to kill, they should attack on my ideology. Otherwise, Sukhi Chahal, like tomorrow somebody kill the Sukhi Chahal, that doesn't mean actually. So they're gonna finish his ideology. Somebody else is gonna speak up. Somebody else is gonna step up. So that's where that's a kind of work you have to do, at least. So not at least so you want to promote yourself. You promote the good things in the community, also about your community. Thank you.
Okay, next. Surjit, according to my analysis, money is more important to Sikhs and Hindus than love for religion. Ready to convert for material benefit. What to do? I think that's a rather superficial reading of the situation, Surjit ji. And I think we can take Vibhuti ji's opinion on this.
No, I mean, I don't think it is the money that is leading to conversion. Money has only, rice bag is only a question in a limited sense. But the real challenge is that there is no material benefit. Nobody changes. Jesus or Muhammad doesn't make you rich. You suffer the same way that you led. So conversion is a mechanism whereby you get certain benefits, but it's not that alone. It has a lot more deeper than that. And I am of the opinion that Government of India must do something about it, in addition to the lot of voluntary organizations that are doing things on this account, is to educate people that conversion is a sin against God's original desire, original intent. And that's the argument that we have to advance and argue on.
Okay, next. Viktab, why don't Hindus speak about conditions and atrocities on Pakistani Hindus? We do all the time. In fact, Nimit Ekam, that premier organization, functions from Jaipur. And we are promoting it all the time. Don't you think we have the power to pressurize Pak on international level? Well,
no, I think
international level, that requires a lot of government support.
नहीं, आई थिंक अगर ये देखो संजय जी, ये कहना बहुत इजी होता है, अभी कोई कुछ नहीं करता। ये देखो, आप लोग इतना काम कर रहे हो सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू, different platform के through, you're trying to convey the message. If there is any atrocity happens inside the Pakistan, Afghanistan, and we try to highlight time to time. At the same time, so we reach out to our government too. And I have written, there is a organization called Hindu American Foundation, HAF, and Mr. Bhuti also knows very well. And so Sanjay ji also know, and they're a very powerful organization. And I have worked very closely with them, and I have written the letter to the Prime Minister's office when that tragedy happened in Afghanistan. Last time, actually, when the people were killed inside the Gurdwara Sahib. And after that, actually, so now what happened recently in that whole occupation of by the Taliban, and I work very closely with the Hindu American Foundation, wrote to the Prime Minister, and there's a very good outcome coming out from that. I'm not trying to take a blame like the credit that like because Mr. Modi did or government of India did just because I said so. No, but at least somebody has to start the conversation from somewhere. And we effort like you are doing the effort. I just did my whatever the effort I could do based upon my reach out or based upon my connectivity or my relationship or connection. And so that's why I try to convey the message. This is very important to even have the relationship with all the different organizations, not only Sikh community. We cannot handle all the situation as a Sikh community itself, and we need each other. Whenever there's any issue, concern, especially we need any help from the government of India, we have to build a relationship. These relationship cannot be built overnight. It takes long time. It takes lots of effort to win each other's trust. And because of that, actually, so we are doing, and we whenever there's any mishappening happens inside the Pakistan, although it is happening all the time over there, actually, like a human rights violation happening a lot in Afghanistan, and also in Pakistan. And even in addition to that, interesting story, and I have done the debate and I have done the videos with the Uyghur Muslim. There's an organization in Washington, D.C., and the lady, I did her interview, and she explained very well, actually, so why all these Islamic countries are so quiet when the genocide of the Muslim people is happening inside China. And look at the hypocrisy at at the peak. There is a genocide of the Muslim people happening inside the China. On the other side, actually, Pakistan and all these Taliban, actually, so they are trying to project that China is their biggest friend. That's a hypocrisy. For what? Because this is all because of the money. It's like the money will be coming over there, and so they will ignore whatever is happening over there. And if they can ignore their own people, own Muslim people, and forget about like what is going to happen with the Hindu and Sikh community in these countries.
Quite right. Okay, next question. Rishi, in Sanatan, we have gurus to guide us. Why Akal Takht Sikhs in general don't have any guru to guide, or they are going a Brahmic? I think that's again, as Sukiji said, that's a more philosophical question, so which we'll take up some other day when we have a genuine intellectual like Professor Jagbir Singh or someone to answer that. Cool dude. Vibhuti ji, question to you. How to deal with intelligentsia and media who are quick to jump on anti-Muslim activities but are silent in other cases?
Yes, that's a very good question, my friend. Cool dude. That's a cool question. I would put it that way. It is the entire intelligentsia media is bending backwards somewhere along the line to accommodate anything that is said about Muslims. Even you can't even question. But as whatever they say becomes the gospel truth. So let me give you an example. Recently when in the southern borders of America, you have people from Haiti. So many thousands of them are there. So the policeman, a mounted policeman on a horse, was trying to control the mob. There are many TV channels that became a story, that the white man riding a horse was whipping the black migrant who was trying to come here. People forget that was the job. So remove the mounting horse from the cavalry, from the police force. My question here is very simple, that you will notice that there is a desire on the part of the extreme left and the vested interests to weaken the very force that is supposed to protect and defend you. This is a classic leftist ideology. Weaken the forces that are supposed to protect you. Nobody ever talked about that. And this is something which, of all people, Ilhan Omar was talking about on TV, who is herself belonging to a community that she has to run away from. So there is something wrong in the West right now, that my favorite, Ayaan Ali Hirsi, when she exposes Islam, she is shut down everywhere. But people who are Islamic, they say everything, it is accepted. This is a phenomenon. This question needs to be gone deeper into as to why is it happening. Is it money paid to them? to keep quiet, because there was a time when print media went bankrupt. They were going bankrupt. And there are certain vested interests which put a lot of money to shore them up. And they bought their piece and the agenda from there.
Next. Yeah, Rishi, Islam is a dark prism with no light in it. Okay, that's an observation. Thank you. Praveen Kasit, JD family should promote Agniveer, who are doing great job for Garvapsi. We do promote them. Sanjeev Nevar has been on Jaipur Dialogues many times. They can work on Sikh Garvapsi too. I think that's a job which is done best by the Sikhs themselves.
No. It's a remind me very good question. Like 3 weeks back, actually, I received the call from very known Khalistani in America. वो कहते सुखी जी we were talking about the conversion to this and that. वो कहते भी आपकी भी घर वापसी करानी है सुखी जी It's very very interesting. कहते भी आप आरएसएस में चले गए हो.
अच्छा, तो अब आपको खालिस्तान में लाना है वापस.
हाँ, कहते सिखों में कहते भी ने we cannot afford to lose you. कहते it doesn't matter. कहते हमारी यार आइडियोलॉजी डिफरेंट हो सकती है. कहते you are going आप तो बिल्कुल उनकी खालिस्तान उनकी बातें करते हो, आरएसएस की बातें करते हो, मोदी की बात करते हो, हिंदुओं की बात करते हो. कहते घर वापसी को तो आपकी करानी है, क्योंकि हम कभी अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. आपने अच्छे सिख कम्युनिटी इतने लोग वहां चले जाएं, उधर चले जाएं. So then then it was a very fair conversation. I said, okay, tell me one thing. Why you don't like RSS? What is your issue with RSS? No, RSS ऐसे करती है. This is all the nonsense. Actually, no fact. They like within 2 minutes that person was ready to quit. Actually, so like नहीं रुक जाओ पहले बात करते हैं. What I told him, like if you can have the patience of Khalistan, patience of the RSS, if you can have a commitment of the RSS, if you can have a dedication of the RSS, if you can work on the ground like these organizations, nobody can beat Sikhs in the world. We have to learn from these people. But look at the, like I quote the example, like look at our SGPC or the Akali Dal. It's like almost like the same time, 100-year-old. And now this RSS is not even 100-year-old. Now they are ruling the whole India. Instead of criticizing them, try to learn from them actually. So how much progress they have made. And they are never on the forefront. And you try to say anything with anything one engaged with anybody in the Sikh community, they will try to kill you. But on the other side, I said, like, you can abuse, you can say anything about the RSS. Nobody's going to be saying anything to you. They're not going to respond. They will just committed and they will just keep doing what they want to do. And I said, like, that's what the limitation you guys have. That's the limitation on the whole Sikh community had. We just try to propagate. We just trying to be the part of that propaganda. RSS is bad, Sikhon ke liye, this and that. And I asked him, like, tell me what there is no RSS in the diaspora actually. So how come we are not even able to protect our own interests in the diaspora? Why you're trying to blame? Why you're trying to be a victim mentality? Victim mentality is not anywhere in the Sikh community, because अगर victim जो mentality promote करनी थी, so then Guru Sahib should not have gone through all the hard time they have been through. So उसके बाद वो कहते नहीं, I was just joking. I said like, okay, जिस दिन सुखी चहल की घर वापसी होगी, उस दिन सुखी चहल opposition का लीडर जरूर होएगा खालिस्तान का. ये दिमाग में रखना.
Very nice, very well put, very well put. Alan, so would Trudeau once again form the government? You are very close to the capital, Vibhuti ji. Please tell us.
आवाज नहीं आ रही उनकी.
आप muted हो.
He is short by certain numbers of parliamentarians, so you never know. Democracy is all about horse trading, right? So you never know at this point in time.
Yeah, okay. We don't know whether the Quebec party is going to go. Last time they were with them, so I think they should
Right.
strike a deal
No, I
again.
think there is a difference only 1 or 2 seat actually. So the Trudeau's party actually, so they were able to gain only 1 seat, and
Right.
even the NDP they have gained 1 or 2 seats. Otherwise, the rest everything pretty much as it is,
Right.
as it was earlier actually. But the good thing actually for the Justin Trudeau actually, so he is able to extend his government for next 2 year more actually.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, Rishi, my mother still live, wishing to bring Sikh Bahu being Karnataka since we spent half of life in Punjab. But now I am being refused being Brahmin. Duvida.
Enjoy the bachelorhood as long as you
Okay. Any solutions, Sukeji? You can help?
No, I no comments.
Okay. Rishi again. Vijayji, after recent election in Kannada, it seems Jagvinder is screwing Justin for PM-ship. How come Joe effort Talib Khalistan across border? हाँ जगमीत को बना दो प्राइम मिनिस्टर तो कनाडा को खालिस्तान डिक्लेयर कर देगा वो.
नहीं, I think
problem
first of
solved.
all they have to put the question properly. अपने भी लोगों को बोलो. His name is not Jagminder. His name is Jagmeet Singh. I think he's talking about the Jagmeet Singh.
Yes,
So
yes, जगमीत yes.
yeah. चलो कोई
Next.
बात नहीं.
All of the world, Anil Sharma. Evil is winning and dharma is losing, whether we accept or not. ये तो होता है.
ये द्वंद्व
धर्म के
हमेशा ही
साथ
चलता ही रहता है. इट इज
ये
लाइक
द्वंद्व सदैव है.
चलता रहता है.
कूल डूड सर जी, ये पंजाब में चन्नी जी दलित है या क्रिश्चियन या दलित क्रिश्चियन है? बड़ा कंफ्यूजन है, प्लीज क्लियर.
And the question is very relevant. क्योंकि उसको दलित सिख बोलते थे पहले. और सिखों में इफ यू गो बाय द गुरु नानक देव जी फिलॉसफी, सिखों में कास्ट नाम की कोई चीज ही नहीं है. और फिर ये कहते हैं भी दलित होना चाहिए और सिख होना चाहिए. Either you can be a Sikh or you can be a Dalit. You cannot be the combination of that. I think जो political party जो भी हो रहा है ना, this is very unfortunately कि जैसे वो दलित होना चाहिए, this and that. I'll give you, like, I usually don't make any comments on the political issues. But since we watch Punjab politics very closely, Sunil Jakhar, he's a very, very competent guy in the Congress government. Very
Yeah.
well respected, very competent, very fair guy, intelligent, fair guy. And he has a very good chances to be a prime minister, to be a chief minister of Punjab. People raise the issue that no, we want to have a Dalit Sikh actually. So why Sikh? My problem is why Sikh has to be the chief minister of Punjab. Why is that condition? Why you don't want to find the right candidate who can lead the Punjab at this stage? Why that person has to be Hindu or Sikh or anybody? This is the mindset actually. So people are struggling actually. So because of the vote bank. And in the same Akal Takht Jathedar Sahib, and they were issuing like all the like the जो statement के we RSS के बारे में this and that, and now Jathedar Sahib and is issuing the comments actually, so that like there is no Dalit or there is no casteism, this and that. But on the other side, I have a question to everybody. That nomination of Akal Takht Jathedar Sahib is done by the SGPC or the Akali Dal party. And even the Akali Dal, actually, so there is a special being, Dalit being in the party. Nobody want to raise that question actually, because whatever जो उनको सूट करता है ना, उसके बारे में हमेशा बयान देते रहते हैं. And this is the same party. Even the Akali Dal party, they have enjoyed the power for 10 years. In alliance with the BJP party, and the BJP party is also indirectly connected with RSS. At that time, there was no issue. Anybody have an issue, but now suddenly, actually, all these बयानबाजी होती है ना. This is unfortunate.
Next. Rishi ji के VJ ji ISI snatched 2 probable hubbies of Audrey in Baradar and Akhunzai. Sir, Audrey wedding bell कब बजेगा? Please don't mind jokes on JD. I feel like I'm with my family. You're most welcome.
Of course.
We always answer jokes with jokes. So I take it to Vibhuti ji to give an appropriate joke.
I would only say that please don't forget to invite us when you find a Sikhni to get married to.
Okay. Oriental. I think at this rate we might become a matrimonial site. What do you think? And then we will charge for making the matches. Oriental arms anti-India forces have come back to power in Canada in the form of Canadian Indian ministers. They have leveraged their small numbers to become crucial in the electoral process. How can they be countered? Well, the Canadians can counter them. How do we
Yeah,
counter?
why the I don't know. I don't understand why the other people that have that concern उनकी क्या मजबूरी होती है अभी ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन उसके बारे में सोचना. I don't think so. They need to be countered. ठीक है, this is the community and they have worked hard. They came early and so they get involved in the political process at the right time, and they have worked hard. And you can see the progress. If they can do it instead of saying that counter it, you need to do it in America too. And there is unfortunately, Bhubhuti ji, actually there is a many congressmen sitting in the Congress from the Hindu community. Why they are not saying? Why they are not standing by the Hindu community?
Exactly.
So that's a question.
You are absolutely right, Sukhi Saab, because I have asked so many times, I've tweeted to all these 5 people, any thoughts on dismantling global Hindutva agenda? None of them have said a word. And that's my anger about this element that bekar ke log hain, humne kyon, they don't need our, the trick is, you know it very well, 2 of them are from California. They don't need your and my vote to win the election. They just want to come and collect money from us. Ro Khanna, Pakistan ka banda hai wo, actually, has nothing to say about anything. So we have to make them accountable. Keep asking them the question. Pramila Jaipal, Raja Krishnamurti, kuch bolta hai kabhi kabhi, but he's also soaked into his Ami Bera. Nothing. Nobody says a word pro-Hindu anywhere. Yeah.
Okay, next. Oriental arms. What about groups like United States of Southern India in the US? Who are their members? Please explain, Vibhuti ji.
I would have to do some research to find out who are their members, but I always say something. Our enemy will do whatever it takes. The Breaking India forces have never slept. They're working. The question is, our enemy is going to do whatever they do. We got to do what we must. हमें जो करना है वो हमें करना है. So knowing what we know, कि इतने सारे लोग we want to break us, what must we do to protect and defend our interests? And that's our focus ought to be. And we must do that focus more on that. This particular thing has existed. Yeah.
Okay, next, again, Oriental arms. Sukhi ji, Vibhuti ji, there is no way to get the American ATF to act against the Khalistani and Babbar Khalsa members in the US. I believe there are several gurdwaras in total control of Khalistanis and purported to store abnormal quantities of arms. This is not worthy of ATF investigations. What's ATF?
Alcohol, tobacco, and firearms is a big department in the US. Alcohol, it's called alcohol, tobacco, and firearms. One of the biggest revenue earners. So that's why the revenue they earn, they have a department that controls and regulates that part of it. Yes.
Either of you can take this question.
Yeah, no. I think, Vibhuti ji, since I live in the Sikh community over here, I go to Gurudwara regularly. There has been some incident, but I don't agree with all the whole question that there's weapons or arms in the Gurudwara, this and that. No, but there was some activity in some Gurudwaras. It is on record. It is on record in the Gurudwara, and it is on record in the FBI that some people were arrested, those who were directly in touch with the Pakistan, and they were trying to do some kind of violent activity. And these people were deported from Fremont, California. And one of, like, I know these people very, I don't want to name these people, and these people, they were kind of activity they were trying to do that was violent in the nature, and the local FBI, and they investigated, other agencies investigated, and that person was also deported. So many incidents, there is just some few other incidents like that. But overall, if you see actually, so there's any weapons or arms in the Gurdwara, I don't agree that. But yeah, so they did hijack some of the Gurdwara. The Khalistani, they have done it. As I keep on saying, this is their Dukandari, and they will do their best and to because why they go after the Gurdwara actually. So that's the one thing we forget to mention. Gurdwara not only the center to spread the message, but for the Khalistani, the Gurdwara is important because it is a platform, a ready-made platform, and to reach out to the community. And also there's a lots of incoming. Like anybody who come to Gurdwara actually, so there's a lots of donation come to the Gurdwara, and so they have pretty much the control of the whole money flowing inside the Gurdwara. They misuse that donation of the Sangat donation, the people's donation, for their own personal dukandari or anti-India or even some anti-Sikh activity. Actually, this is the tragedy. Actually, it's not only hurting anybody else; it's hurting more to the Sikh community in the long run.
Quite right. And also, if I might just add that in the US, you can store all the arms in your house. Why do you require a Gurdwara?
Exactly.
Next. It's not like India. There's no licensing in the US. Ran Guruji Pranam, my question to esteemed panelists for 1984 ayats, why didn't the Sikh seek closure from 2004 to 2014 with the responsible party in power and a Sikh at the helm of it? Today, 1% to the 1% to 1% can go on rampage on Red Fort. Why not seek closure in 2004? Why now?
No, I think there's a question is genuine, but some part of the question is genuine actually. So, I cannot make a statement on the whole question, but the closure is very, very important because this is gonna give the platform to all these anti-India forces, especially from the Sikh community and those who claim themselves as a Khalistani. And I even don't consider they are Khalistani. I don't consider actually. I don't think so. They are even looking for the Khalistan, and they know it is not possible. But their Dukandari will be there as long as these few of the issue will be there in the Sikh community. One is going to be the closure of the 1984 especially on the attack on the Darbar Sahib. What happened, who was responsible for that, and so declassifying all that information, or even public apology or something like that. The closure is very important. And number two, the justice to the victim of the 1984 is very important. Unless these are the few outstanding issues, we are not going to find the closure. It is going to give them the something to talk about, something they're gonna manipulate these issues, outstanding issue, and they're gonna do their dukandari, which they are doing right now. And they can also radicalize the future generation based upon these, because they also use these are some of the issue, and they manipulate. And they manipulate and they plant the seed in the mind of the young generation, especially the youth from here, when they are not well aware, and when they have not, some of them have not even visited Punjab or India, and they get victim of that. And also, as Bhuti ji said earlier, very important, some of the people, those who come to US in these days, the so-called Khalistani actually, so they also try to hijack them, and they try to manipulate them. They tell them, oh, if you want to stay here, you have to file the political asylum. In order to file the political asylum, you have to go protest in front of the Indian embassy or the Indian consulate, or do your anti-India activity, which is a totally nonsense. Because you are not going to get the political asylum in USA if you are going to do these kind of activity on the US soil. Because the political asylum, you can only be qualified for the political asylum if there is a political issue where you came from. But if you are doing any activity inside America, or you are just trying to like radicalize these youth or misguiding them that they have to do protest or they have to do anti-India activity, then they will be qualified for to get the asylum in USA. That is totally wrong. This is totally a nonsense from whoever is preaching these kids.
Right. And the one thing which I agree with that question was very simple, is that yes, it is a valid concern that how come this matter was not resolved and justice not given during the entire Congress rule. And I have told some of my Sikh friends कि आप कांग्रेस पार्टी के सपोर्टर कैसे हैं? So I would say that every Sikh must resign from Congress party and bloc for the party not doing justice, as you rightly said, Sukhi Sahab, that it was not a Hindu killing of 1984. It was Congress party.
Bilkul.
I have said this many times.
Yeah.
Don't confuse, and I have told this to my American friends as well. Hindus did not kill Sikhs. Congress party people did. And that's the thing, that Congress party must atone for it. And they have not delivered justice on it. And that's something which I would say, if I were Amrinder Singh, I would resign along with all the band of people that for the injustice done to Sikhs by Congress, we are quitting Congress party. Form your own, whatever it is, wherever you want to do, but quit Congress entirely.
No, sir, that's a very good point you made, actually. So even you can see in my speeches, you can go review my speeches. Actually, I say, I also appreciate what the Hindu community has done to the Sikh community at that time in New Delhi. Because I met many of the people, those who were the victim from the Sikh community, within the Sikh community, of those who were the victim of the 1984 genocide, or some people called riots. Because many Hindu families actually so gave them the shelter. Many of the Sikh girls were protected because of the Hindu people came forward to give them the shelter at that time. And these people are there. These people are witness. These people are alive today. And nobody want to talk about it.
That's right.
This is the hypocrisy, even because, well, like मारने वाले से जो बचाने वाला होता है ना, उसको भी like they will also have the same kind of danger. Especially this kind of a genocide happening. 3 दिन में दिल्ली में क्या हो रहा था, this and that, और बाकी जगह पे भी हो रहा था उस समय, when the whole state is against the Sikh community. And they are trying to pick up the girls are being raped left and right, गलों में टायर डालकर मारे जा रहे हैं. कौन मार रहा है? कोई हिंदू तो नहीं मार रहा था, तो कांग्रेस के गुंडे लोग करवा रहे थे. कांग्रेस की मिलीभुगत से वो हो रहा था. और हिंदू लोगों के इवन के एक आरएसएस के एक लीडर के साथ मेरी काफी डिटेल में मीटिंग हुई. उसमें बताया गया कि इवन कि वी वेंट आउट ऑफ द वे टू मेक श्योर कि सिख कम्युनिटी की लड़कियां हैं, जो लड़के हैं, उनको प्रोटेक्शन दी जाए उस 3 दिनों में. और हिंदू लोगों ने जो प्रोटेक्शन दी है, उस प्रोटेक्शन का कोई भी काम नहीं, कोई भी सिख कभी भी बात नहीं करेगा. और ये दिस इज द बिगेस्ट हिपोक्रेसी. हम कहते भी हिंदुओं ने मारा जानबूझकर, क्योंकि नैरेटिव देखो कैसे बिल्डअप हो रहा है. वो सारी हिंदू कम्युनिटी को ब्लेम करेंगे, और उसका जिम्मेवार कौन है? इट इज वन कांग्रेस पार्टी, वन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में से एक कुछ लोग हैं. उसको आइडेंटिफाई करो, उसको जो उनको आइडेंटिफाई करके उनको जो जेलों में करो, कुछ भी करो, जो उसके विक्टिम है उसको जस्टिस देना बहुत जरूरी है. जितनी देर वो जस्टिस नहीं दोगे, ये नैरेटिव जो चल रहा है ना, वो ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा. लेकिन ऑलवेज ट्राई टू मेक श्योर कि नहीं, इट वाज नॉट हिंदू, इट वाज वन ऑफ द कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट, जिसकी आज सरकार है पंजाब में. बाय द वे, उन लोगों को उसी टाइम रिमाइंड भी करवा दो, जिन लोगों ने आपके सिखों के गलों में वो टायर डालकर आपको मारा था, आपकी दियों बहनों की जो रेप किए थे, जो इतना आपके साथ हो, उसी स्टेट के अंदर आज भी जो किसका राज है, वो इसका है, कांग्रेस का राज है. These things they are very very hard hitting fact, but unfortunately जो पिछली सरकार से कितने सालों से ये चल रहा था नैरेटिव, जानबूझकर उनका अटेंशन हिंदुओं पे लगाया गया. कभी भी नहीं कहता भी उसको फोकस करो, ताकि लोगों के दिमाग में ये एक नैरेटिव मिल जाए भी हाँ हिंदुओं ने सिखों को मारा, जो विच इज टोटली रॉन्ग है, कि जो रियलिटी नहीं है. क्योंकि मैं उसके जो सीबीआई के जो वकील थे जहां चंडीगढ़ में, उनके पास भी जाकर इस केस के बारे में, जो इसकी जो सज्जन कुमार की जो कन्विक्शन हुई थी जिसमें उनका सबसे बड़ा रोल था, मैं उनके घर में जाकर ये सारी डिटेल लेकर मैं उसके बाद में फैक्चुअल बात करता हूँ, अनफैक्चुअल नहीं करता। उसने भी मेरे को यही बोला, कहते भी हम भी एज ए सिख हम ये वी फेल्ड बिग टाइम को, जो जिन हिंदुओं ने हमारी उस समय हेल्प की थी हम उनका अप्रिशिएशन नहीं कर सके।
आप सही कह रहे हैं। मैं 31 अक्टूबर 1984 को मैं दिल्ली में था और हमारे मोहल्ले में हमने बिल्कुल यही काम किया था। जो सारे के सारे जो थे मोहल्ले के बीच में हमने सारे जितने भी सिख थे उनको सबको रखा
जी।
था। आई वॉज अ यंग मैन एट दैट टाइम। तो हमको उस ब्रिगेड में लगाया गया था, जो प्रोटेक्शन ब्रिगेड में। आई वॉज वन ऑफ द मेंबर्स। तो मैं तो आपको आई विटनेस में ही हूँ, और कौन हो सकता है इससे बड़ा। नेक्स्ट, अब थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी चलेंगे, ऑलमोस्ट 2 घंटे होने वाले हैं, अभी भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन बाकी हैं। Mithilesh Kumar, many rich Hindus in US are busy doing politics for control of rich temples, but keep aloof from politics or attacks against Hinduism. I think unfortunate but true.
Unfortunate but true. But Mithilesh ji, please do share the names of those rich Hindus. Maybe I know some of them. We can talk about that and
Yes, you walk
them.
among the rich.
We'll be happy to do that. We'll be happy
Mithilesh Kumar, happy to get good news from Vibhuti ji about Hindu Heritage Month in US. Hindus in US should use this month to organize community services in US.
Good
Thank
suggestion.
you.
Thank you.
Next. Rishi, I have so much love for Sikh Dharam and preachers, but I am very much pained to see such deterioration of such lovely sect. What actually went wrong? Emigration to West post 1984. अजी बहुत लंबा क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा साहब, हम 2 घंटे तो ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं। फिर कभी बात करेंगे इस पे। नेक्स्ट, Divikram, I have always wondered why do Sikhs hate Modi ji, BJP and RSS but vote for Congress. अभी ये डिस्कस किया ना, इतना तो सुखी जी ने इतना डिटेल में डिस्कस किया। नेक्स्ट, सर, हाउ लॉन्ग दिस किसान आंदोलन गोना रन? You never know. As long as as long as Modi ji and Amit Shah permit. Rishi, VJG in 2016 on visit to a Netherlands port, authorities tried to touch an elderly Sikh pug, and I protested heavily. I was detained, but later I was released, and that Sikh uncle gifted that pug to me, and I've kept it in my home mandir. Wow. Great. Cool dudes. Sukhi ji, how conscious are Sikh parents to teach their young kids about all sacrifices made by gurus, especially against conversion to Islam during the Mughal period?
सर कोशिश कर रहे हैं, as we discussed earlier actually. So this should be definitely, because even के ट्रेजेडी क्या है, अनफॉर्चुनेट रियलिटी क्या है, जो हिस्ट्री आज भी इन दी डेज इंडिया में व्हाट इज बीइंग थॉट वो डिस्टॉर्टेड हिस्ट्री है. Unless somebody is gonna clarify or somebody is gonna clean up all these facts actually, so this is going to be very, very bad, very wrong. But like outside we can definitely teach our kids, but especially back home actually, so I still see many books actually, so where the history is not being told or as it was, or if it's being told it is being sugar coated. बाकी छोड़ दो, चलो ठीक है, औरंगजेब के नाम पे जिस आदमी ने इतने जुल्म किए, हिंदुओं पे इतने जुल्म किए, सिखों पे इतने जुल्म किए, और कितने इनके जो औरंगजेब के नाम पे आज भी रोड बनी हुई थी, लेन बनी हुई थी, शहर बने हुए थे, कितने बने, वो नहीं खत्म हुए यार. ये तो छोटी बातें हैं. That history, जितनी like somebody has to clean up the history. The history has to be told as it is, in the very honest way. Doesn't matter, Sikh doesn't like it or Hindu doesn't like it, at least it should be told as it is. और जो historically अगर हम उसको clarify नहीं करेंगे, then it's going to be very, very bad actually, because sometime when you people start questioning the history, right, that's where the problem start. So yeah, as a Sikh, I think everybody has to tell in the Sikh community and the Punjabi community and even the Hindu community actually, so what our ancestors went through, Sikh Guru went through, why they sacrificed and how they sacrificed. and how we inseparable. Why the Hindus and Sikhs are inseparable. किसी के कहने पे हिंदू सिख अलग नहीं हो सकते. I am a Sikh, I am proud to be a Sikh. Sanjay ji, you are a Hindu, you should be proud of Hindu. But end of the day, we are inseparable. हमें कोई अलग नहीं कर सकता. और इसमें कोई और दूसरी बात मेरे को आई एम स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट. दुनिया में आज कोई कह दे भी इस आदमी को ये हिंदू था, इसने सिखों को जबरदस्ती सिख बनाया है. और मैं लाखों एग्जाम्पल दे सकता हूं जो हिंदू अपने आप सिख कम्युनिटी में आए हैं, सिखों की सिख धर्म उन लोगों ने अपनाया है. Because there was no force. Because why? Because we never even felt like in the same family, the bada ladka, the elder son, most of the time at least used to be the Sikh, and we lived very well actually. So there was no like even किसी के दिमाग में भी नहीं था. आजकल intentionally that is being planted actually, so that we are trying to separate, especially जो सिख सभा के बाद जो like British के आने के बाद like kind of differences they have tried to create among the Hindus and Sikhs, and so now जो थोड़ी मोटी जो कसर रह गई थी वो आजकल जो इस्लामाबाद से जो रावलपिंडी से आ रहा है, they are doing their best, and उसके बाद जो हमारे खालिस्तानी भाई हैं and they even went to the extreme कि नहीं हमारा हिंदुओं के साथ कोई रिश्ता नहीं है, and they forget the history of our gurus. This is the tragedy.
जी चलिए अगले चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट ऋषि, डेफिनेटली VJSD in Chahal sir जी, मेरे पिता तुल्य हो. और नाउ डिसाइडेड आई गेट सिखनी, आई विल मैरी इन जयपुर इन ऑल योर प्रेजेंस. वेलकम, सबको बुलाएंगे हम.
नहीं सर, नहीं ऐसे काम नहीं चलेगा, ऐसे काम नहीं चलेगा. मैं देखो गरीब आदमी हूँ, मैं अमेरिका में रहता हूँ, एक एयरलाइन की टिकट मेरे को भी चाहिए, एक विभूति जी को भी, इनको भी मिसेस झा को भी चाहिए न्यूयॉर्क से, 2 टिकटें भी चाहिए, वहां रहने का भी खर्चा भी हो जाए, फिर हम कोशिश करेंगे आने की.
वहां रहने का खर्चा तो संजय जी संभाल लेंगे,
वो हम होस्ट कर लेंगे, आप चिंता मत.
हाँ चलो एयरलाइन का, हाँ एयरलाइन की टिकट भेज दें, आ जाएंगे, शादी का बता देंगे.
Amit Pahal, hi sir, even if Khalistan is formed in Punjab without mineral resources and a seaport, how long a landlocked country will sustain? A big source of their income is MSP and Indian Army jobs. अरे भाई जब पागलपन आता है तो अफगानिस्तान सोचता है क्या ये, उसका भी तो यही हाल है. और तालिबान कौन सा?
नहीं सर, उनको बोलो ये देखो, ये अगर खालिस्तानियों को पूछो ना, वो कहते नहीं जो पाकिस्तान है ना, अभी पाकिस्तान के साथ तो समुद्र लगता है, लैंड लॉक्ड कैसे हैं वो कहते हैं भी पाकिस्तान तो हमेशा इनका साथ देगा ना. उसके बाद interestingly, and I asked one of the Khalistani, because when I don't, number one, I don't run away from their discussions, because if अगर गुरुद्वारा में भी कहीं महफिल में कहीं discussion होगी, I want to stay on my ground and I want to have a fair discussion. और डिस्कशन में एक दिन ये हुआ, कहते भी हाँ खालिस्तान होएगा, जिससे I raised the same issue है कि it will be landlocked. वो कहते नहीं, we will have a Haryana will be the part of Khalistan, Rajasthan will be the part of Pakistan, Khalistan, and
Gujarat will also be part of
Gujarat will be the Khalistan too. फिर मैंने सोचा भी देखो जी संजय जी, आपको तो फिक्र होना चाहिए, कल हमारे खालिस्तान का हिस्सा बन गया, आपका क्या होगा.
And Rajasthan canal will be the sea, that will be treated as the sea. Next, okay, so finally after 2 hours and 2 minutes we come to the end of the question answers and the session. Thank you very much. Thank you Vibhuti ji, thank you Sukhi ji.
Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. It was a very good discussion. वो बाकी लास्ट में एक शेर कहता है भी वक्त नहीं लगता ऐ बुरा वक्त, जरा अदब से पेश आ, वक्त नहीं लगता वक्त बदलने में.
ब्यूटीफुल.
हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत जो नैरेटिव जो देख रहे हैं ना हम, कोई ज्यादा नहीं है, कोई टाइम नहीं लगता. जो नैरेटिव अच्छे भी होते हैं, बुरे भी होते हैं, इसमें कोई अगर इफ वी वर्क टुगेदर विद कमिटमेंट, ऐसा नहीं होता ना. ये देखो अब 2 घंटे लगाए हैं, मैं भी काम पे हूँ, मिस्टर झा भी हैं, इन पे दिन में हम काम का, आप रात को काम कर रहे हो. दीज आर द कलेक्टिव एफर्ट. somebody has to take this kind of activity very seriously. सिर्फ डॉक्टर बनना, इंजीनियर बनना, पैसे बनाना, गाड़ी लेना, दिस एंड दैट, नो, दिस इज आवर मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ये हो जाएगा. बहुत कुछ है और वक्त नहीं लगता वक्त बदलने में। और ये एज ए आई थिंक ये धर्म के लिए, ये आपके हिंदू धर्म के लिए, मैं अपनी तरफ से सिख धर्म के लिए एक सेवा है हमारी, क्योंकि हमें जो क्वालिटी दी है, विजन दिया है, जो एसेट दिया है, रिसोर्सेज है, लेट्स ट्राई टू यूज फॉर द सेक ऑफ द कम्युनिटी एंड यू गाइस आर डूइंग द एक्सीलेंट जॉब। थैंक यू
Thank
वेरी
you
मच।
very much. Yesterday, Sanjay ji, on my walk, I came up with a sentence. That's my quote, and I want to share with you, both of you and the audience. There are many people who know how to make money, but there are few who know how to make a difference. And so long as we keep making a difference, working towards that,
Beautiful.
things will work wonderful. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
ओके,
जय हिंद।
नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल।
Nasrika. Jai Ram Ji ki.